So today we're going to talk about what is barley grass and what are the benefits of this superfood. So let's go!
Barley grass refers to the young leafy green shoots of the barley plant, Hordeum vulgare, harvested before it develops seeds or grain. This stage of the plant's life cycle concentrates its nutritional value, making it rich in vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, and amino acids. Barley grass is consumed in various forms such as juice, smoothies, powders, and supplements to support overall health by providing essential nutrients, aiding digestion, and offering potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. So guys, ito yung tsura ng barley grass. So, yung leaf po yung barley grass. And now, we're going to talk about health benefits of drinking barley. 1. Aids in digestion. 2. Balances alkaline acidity ratio in the body. 3. Boosts energy. 4. Anti-inflammatory. 5. Antioxidant. 6. Anti-cancer properties. 7. Detox the body. 8. Slows down aging. 9. Repairs damaged cells. 10. Helps cure skin diseases. 11. Promotes growth of new cells. 12. Reduces cholesterol. 13. Reduces blood pressure. 14. Reduces risk of heart disease. And 15. Boosts immunity. And lastly, controls blood sugar levels.
That's all for today, guys. Please hit like and subscribe, and if you want to start your barley journey, just PM me or comment down below and I'll help you get started. That's all. Live well, heal well, salve well. Bye-bye!